Hi everyone, today you're going to be completing a famous photographer assignment. Actually, when I say today, it's actually something you're doing throughout the semester, and June is the due date. So if you're not finished by today, that's normal. It's an ongoing project. So uh, the famous photographer assignment is an assignment you're going to be doing through presentation software. I've chosen Prezi. It's a great way to present your work. There's an example of this project, a level 4 plus from previous years, that's below right here. If you've never used Prezi before, it's a bit like a non-linear PowerPoint that's web-based. So your work, once saved, is saved online and you can access it at home or wherever. If you choose to use other software, just tell me about it, as there's many ways to present your work. But Prezi has worked very well in the past. Now, for this assignment, you are sharing work about a famous photographer. Now, the word famous itself is kind of subjective. So what makes it famous? Well, usually work found online through Google search brings up people whose work is recognized. So you're welcome to choose maybe people, if you enjoy, say, nature photography and you do a web search for that, you'll probably end up with hits of people that are recognized for their work, but also have a presence online, which should make them usually quite famous, or I should say recognized. Now, you could also do it at a more local level. You might have someone you know who's a local photographer who has contributed locally, and that might be someone also you'd want to talk about through your presentation. It doesn't, so it could be more of an international, world famous, or locally, someone that's contributed locally. Okay. I'm hoping you're going to choose a photographer that relates to the type of photography you enjoy. So if you enjoy nature photography, maybe choose a nature photographer you're going to do this assignment on. If you enjoy more, say, portraits, look for someone that's famous for portraits. So you will have a bit of research in finding who you're going to write about in your Prezi. The Prezi itself will have 20 pictures relating to of that photographer, but you will also have to talk about their biography, their education, their creative process, so how they go about creating their pictures. Usually people that are famous or recognized for their work have a creative process that might be a bit different, that allows them to create outstanding work that makes them famous. You'll also talk about what their contributions are to photography and why you chose the photographers. That's on a more personal level. And also for the 20 pictures you're going to be posting in your Prezi, you're going to be telling me where you found those pictures. So you're going to be referencing them. There is an evaluation rubric here to show you how you'll be evaluated. Do visit this example at the bottom. It's outstanding work, and it will show you level 4 plus from previous years. So that has to do with the assignment outline. When you go to the website for this class, there's a subsection to the left where you're going to tell me which photographer you would like to cover. Just make sure nobody else in the class covered that same photographer. You each need a different photographer. It's first come, first served. Also, you might find it very easy to find 20 pictures about someone, but you might have trouble finding the biography information. So before you choose someone, ensure you can find all this information. It's easy for you to find. Also, the type of photography has to be appropriate. This is a Prezi that you're not going to share in front of the class, but you will be sharing through the website, and people will be able to consult your presentation towards the end of the semester. So it's just a different way of presenting. Instead of being in front of the whole class, it'll be done, it'll be a computer-based presentation that students will be able to consult at their own desktop. So make sure the type of photography is appropriate for school, for viewers. And if you're not sure, you might find some work that is controversial, but that you enjoy, but you're just not sure for school. Just ask me first, and we'll make sure that it's good for the classroom. So that's just some information to get you started on this project. Do read over the assignment outline, and if you have any further questions, I can answer them in class. So have fun, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, bye.